Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with aptitude questions. Solve for x. Log 10 log base 2 into log base 3 to the power 9 equal to x. Options are 1, 2, 3, 0. We need to find the value of x guys. So take the given value log 2 log 3 power 9 equal 10 power x. I am sending this log 10 to RHS, it become 10 power x. Log 2, this 9 can be written as 3 square, so 2 become as a product. This can be written as log 3 power 3 equal 10 power x. Log 2 as it is, this 2 as it is, this 3 can be written as a product equal 10 power x. So we get 2 log 2 guys, that equal 10 power x. Okay, but according to the logarithm 2 log 2 equal to 1, therefore we get x equals 0 guys. So option D. Thank you for watching.